Alright, ladies and gents, it's time for solutions for the vertical and horizontal translation. The whole idea behind all these ones is you have some function that looks like this guy, and for all the problems you're going to be shifting it either vertically or horizontally, or maybe even both. So on all the problems on this, I already have what that function looks like normally, and then in red I'm going to draw the translated version. So here on number 1, we got y equals f of x plus 2. So we're taking the function and we're adding 2 to it. So what you do to do that is you take all the y values. Imagine f of x being all the y values for the points, and then you're going to add 2 to them. And so this y value is going to be 2 higher. This y value, again, 2 higher. But notice the x values are staying the same. And so my y values are just going up 2. And so this red guy is what your new one would look like. And this line here, you're supposed to be writing down stating what the transformation or transformations are. This is a vertical shift of plus 2. Moving on to 2. When you have a change inside the parentheses, inside the input for your function, you're going to have a horizontal shift. And it's going to be the opposite of whatever sign's in there. So that one says plus 2, so it's a horizontal shift of negative 2. So you're going to take all your points here, and they're going to go left 2 spots, two values. And so this guy, he's going to be left 2 right there. This guy, he moved left 2 to be right there. This guy that used to be there is now left 2 spots. And this guy, it needs to move left 2 spots to get right there. And so your new shape will look like this guy here. On 3, you notice it's got 2 different transformations, and it's a combination of both of the ones we just did. And so it is both a vertical shift, a vertical shift of plus 2, and a horizontal shift of negative 2. So both of those, when you move left 2 and up 2 on all our points here, and so this guy would make up there that direction. This guy here would be moving up to this spot. This guy is going to be moving over to this spot. Left 2, up 2 for all of these. That guy is going to be right here. Right here. And so when we connect it back up, we still got our shape, but it's been shifted left 2 and up 2. Moving on to 4. The subtraction outside the function means it's a vertical shift. And my handwriting's horrendous right now. Shift. And it's negative 3. So taking all the points, moving it down 3. So you take this guy, move down 3, you make him right there. And this guy, you'd be shifting it down 3 to put him right there. This guy moved down 3, putting him right there. And this guy goes down 3 as well, which would put him right there. And here's my new shape. Now, hold on, just checking a few things. Yep, okay. Moving on to 5, notice the subtract 3 is inside, and when it's inside, it's the opposite direction. So it's a horizontal shift because it's inside, but it's going to be a shift of plus 3 because it says subtract 3 inside there. So we're going to take all the points and move them right 3 spots. So this first point would be there, this guy would be right there, this guy would be right there, and this guy would be right there, and we got a lovely shifted function, the red one. Moving on to 6, this one's got 2, and it's not just a combination previous ones. It has a vertical shift of -3, but it's also got a horizontal shift of -2. Notice it's the opposite. Instead of +2, it's going to be -2 because it's inside there. So we need to move everything left 2 and down 3. Okay, so this point here, left 2, down 3, is going to put him right there. This point, when you move left 2, down 3, is going to put him right there. Next point is going to end up right here, and then the last point is going to end up right there, and we got our new function. Ta-da! Front side done.